today we got a 1990 Ford Econoline van. Ex-U-Haul van was. My buddy with the race cars bought this fucking gem to haul a race car. That's right, that's a Brymar fucking trailer that's been just, you know, put on here. Custom made fucking ramp truck. Best part is 7.3 IDI. Oh shit, I just smoked that guy out. Fuck. Sorry about that.
Fuck off, I got work to do.
She's a fucking screamer. Got my little co-pilot with me today too. 55. She's screaming. She's a fucking champ. About halfway home, through the Adirondack Mountains with it. She never overheated. Got a little warm, but you know, just a tit over half. I mean, that's not even really that warm. Pulled over like 5 minutes ago to just give her a rest for a minute, and I think the thermostat's already out of it. She's fine. Well, she made it back to the fucking Majestic Juice house, no fucking problem. She's quiet for now. And best part is she lays patch without even fucking trying. Got I-beams, you got some fucking reinforcements. I put all these fucking things in. This dirty fucking thing's almost done. Got all the fucking reinforcement in except for one over there. Got all the fucking lights installed. Even a license plate lamp. Man, she's legit. Even got the winch. Just gotta hook up, well, put a battery mount in and then run some cables up to so it'll fucking charge. But yeah, come along, this fucking dirty old truck. Time to load a fucking car on it.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
Time to see if the first specimen that fucking goes on here will even start. Oh yeah, this fucking toilet. Fuck you.
Oh, did you Mopar no car it?
This fucking butte right here. Oh yeah, 2.4 liters of fucking, I don't know, fucking cabbage.
You got cabbage in your fucking mouth!
She's got the weight reduction. What's a avenging? Yeah, more New York State weight reduction here. Oh yeah. There. Aerodynamic now. Fuck this thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shot. Yeah. I mean, I'll give it to Dodge. You know, I mean, it's got the fucking hood prop slammed in it, and look at that body line. It's good to go. Yeah, we shut the hood, now pop. Wow, it still works. Yeah, see, look at the nice, you know, quality sheet metal here. Oh no! See, this is how you make the Dodge aerodynamic. Just delete the delete the wiper blade completely. Well, thank you, sir. We'll treat it nicely, you know. Yeah. Only drive to church on Sundays, you know.
With the utmost respect.
Yeah, only respect on this one. Floored. Oh yeah, all the HVs. Holy Dodge engineering here. Oh, she shakes like a fucker. What do you do on a long straight road? Oh, fucking sporty. Performance. It's great, but windshield wipers don't work. Must be a fuse or something. So I mean, when you get a fucking Dodge, you know, destroy, be kind of rude not to, you know, do some burnouts with it. She fucking loves it. I know you're in low, but damn. I'm only like half throttle. Why are you revving out so far, you fucking piece of shit? Oh wait, I know. Dodge transmission. Oh, gotta stop. There. Gotta keep the revs up now, you know. You don't want it to fucking foul out any plugs or anything. Stopping again. There we go. Thank God Dodge put this brake gear in here. Or else I'd never be able to stop. Gotta warm up my tires for the big race here. Stop again. Ah, she fucking loves it. Especially when you give her RPM too. Oh, there it is. There's part. Fucking weak. What a fucking shitbox. You don't like that anymore, do you? See, I'm in low, but it's shifting. Does that make sense?
What the fuck are you doing, J-Rock?
I was getting changed, motherfucker.
Well, we got dome lightage. Hello, Dodge. Ah, a little something over. What a fucking piece of shit. Oh, of course, the brakes are locked up. So why wouldn't it be? It's a fucking Dodge. Sits for a weekend. It's like, nope, I'm done. Oh, watch the fucking Buick. Perfect. Oh, I'm there, I guess. That's how I know. Well, time to load this fucking toilet of a Dodge up. Oh, yeah. And she's going. She's going good. Yeah. And this is why it's another New York State candidate here. Look at that K-frame. Oh, yeah. Fucking beautiful. What a fucking piece of shit. Oh, it's off the trailer and, man, smelling gas. Better check under the hood here. Oh, that dirty Jew did a valve cover delete again. And a coil delete. And a gas line fucking delete. All in one. That's pretty good. I don't know how it still runs.
Engineer.
You engineer. Displacement on demand.
That's right.
Like, there's more pressure going out than I think in motor.
Get your hands off it! I paid for a lady, not fucking Corey and Trevor!
So yeah, when there's no real good rig point, you just wrap a chain around the rad and everything else, and we'll see what happens. Sure, we'll go with that.
in danger.
That's normal. He just instant lowering kit. Hydraulics, brah. Clearance. Wow, this is the fate of the fucking Derelict Dodge. Couldn't even beat the shit out of it because it's a fucking pile. Fucking see ya, Dodge. Woo, woo. Yeah.
Boogity! Let's go racing, boys!
Well, here we go. Blowing up yesterday, racing tonight. Another shitty 305. Greg. Oh, Greg Lupit? Yeah, it must be Greg wrecked. Fuck. I hope Greg's alright. Oh, it's on the back of a fucking record. Fuck. Oh. Fucking tires off it. You alright? Good. Oh. Fucking people's broke dick fucking welds. That's supposed to be in there. It fell out in turn one. Tonight's fucking done before it even started. So I mean, you towed a race car with a Ram truck, 3,000-pound race car. So I mean, why not get a Bobcat next? Ah. Let's see how well this ends. Hang on. Oi! Oi! Yeah. Okay, no. You're on by a cut here on this side. You gotta go that way some. Yeah, you gotta go that way. Yeah. Yeah, not too much, okay. I'd say that's good. There's nothing sketchy about this whatsoever. Nothing. Yeah, doing Ram truck things. Yeah, lowrider. Back at the Jew paradise with the fucking Bobcat. Oh yeah. Good fucking truck. I mean, you really just don't need to worry about fucking ground clearance with your tires. It was fine. Just, you know, bananaed the ramps just a little bit. Sure.
Well, he's no stranger to the end zone. Crowd loves this.
The biggest man to score a touchdown in a long time, and
Really didn't need those ramps. There we go. Instant lift job now. See, he's just knocking the sand out of the bucket is all. I mean, he's just trying to clean it. Yeah. Jew's got a bobcat. Well, there you go, douchebags and derelicts. Hope you enjoyed the fucking video about my buddy's Ferd Ram truck race car hauler here. Kind of put the video together. Wasn't originally going to make a video on the fucking thing, but, well, it kind of turned into one. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I want to thank my Patreons that fucking signed up here. I want to thank Robert Dye, Low IC. I think that's how you fucking... LOIC, yeah, that's your name. Joe Ewald, Ian, Megabob777. This drink's for you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The red race car is finally going to hit the fucking track. That's going to happen the 10th of September here at Brookfield in New York, the Madison County Fairgrounds. You guys want to show up, fucking hang out, I'll be there. Well, till then, fellas, don't put your fucking hands any place you want to put your dick.